Yo, what's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play What They Thinking by Gunna. I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's an example of what the song is going to sound like. As y'all can see, I have a capo on the 4th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo, and we have some dope sounding chords for this song. And there's only 3 that you need to know. It's C major 7, E minor 9, and E minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is C major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is E minor 9, so we're just going to take the same chord shape and we're going to slide up here to the 4th fret. So now we have our fingers on the 4th fret of the D string and the 5th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. And then that last chord is E minor 7, so we're just putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. And if you want to, you can do an E minor. So you're just adding your finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's gonna sound like this. Subtle difference, but it's up to you. So here's the E minor 7. Here's the E minor. If we think about this in 4 counts, it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the strumming pattern, I'm just going to play the chord progression for you guys, and I'm going to put an example of a strumming pattern that you can use on the bottom of your screen. So just follow along and pay close attention. But like I always say, if you have another way that you want to strum it, by all means, go ahead. You are the creator, but that is how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. I don't consider myself an expert by any means, but I like to share my knowledge with the community where I can. While you are here, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more tutorials like this. And also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll go ahead and link those in the description and pin comment down below. I have tutorials on there that I don't have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and check those out. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check it out. I think you'll like it as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one.